Hey everyone, welcome back to Boundless with Shalu. So, Skin 1004 just launched three brand new ampules in their lab in Nature line, and they are calling them boosting shots. I have been testing all three, the retinol 0.2%, niacinamide 10%, and matrixyl 10% on my combination sensitive skin for over 2 weeks. If you are wondering what these boosting shots actually do and how they feel on your skin and which one is right for your skin type, this video is for you. So, what exactly makes these new Skin 1004 boosting shot ampules stand out from other serums on the market? Let's break it down. Now, what is a boosting shot? The name boosting shot isn't just a trend, it actually reflects the core purpose of these ampules. Each formula is designed to act like a concentrated, targeted booster for your skin. Rather than offering general hydration or barrier support, each ampule delivers specific potent actives like retinol, niacinamide, or peptides in high performing way that enhances your entire routine. The technology behind it is the micro-sized Centella spicules. Now here's where it gets interesting. What really sets these ampules apart is their delivery technology, which is a next generation system powered by micro-sized Centella spicules. These spicules are tiny needle-like structures derived from marine sponges and adapted using Madagascar Centella asiatica, which Skin 1004 is known for. They measure just 13 micrometers, smaller than the average pore size, which allows them to gently create micro pathways in the skin's surface. This helps your skin absorb these active ingredients more effectively without irritation. So, there is a three-step delivery system. Skin 1004 explains the process in three simple steps. So, first step is that they create micro pathways to increase the absorption. They delivers active ingredients deeper into the skin, and thirdly, visibly enhances skin texture, hydration, and volume. Think of it like your actives being escorted directly into your skin instead of just sitting on the top. It's a non-invasive, needle-free way to help ingredients like retinol, niacinamide, or peptides work harder but still gently. According to Skin 1004's in-house clinical testing, this spicule-based system showed a 132% improvement in absorption over regular formulas. Users also saw instant hydration, 24 hours moisture retention, and deeper moisture penetration with continued use. Now, why this matters for you? Whether you are targeting fine lines, dullness, or dehydration, these ampules give you intensified results without needing to overload your routine. And because they are formulated with Centella as the base, they remain soothing and safe for sensitive skin like mine. So let's first start with Skin 1004 Retinol 0.2% Boosting Shot Ampule. This ampule is also known as Elasticity and Barrier Solution. This is Skin 1004's take on firming care that doesn't overwhelm the skin, especially for those of us with sensitive or combination skin like mine. It's vegan and cruelty free, and there is no artificial fragrance in this ampule. Now, what is this and what it targets? This ampule combines two powerful vitamin A derivatives, retinol and retinal, designed to improve the elasticity, smooth out rough texture, and reduce the look of wrinkles. But what really makes it special is how these actives are delivered. Through Skin 1004's boosting shot system, the formula penetrates more effectively thanks to Centella based microspicules. So it's not just about applying actives, it's about helping them actually do their job. Now, the key ingredients in here are 0.2% retinol that helps promote collagen production, refine skin texture, and reduce signs of aging. Retinol, a gentle, faster acting form of vitamin A that works synergistically with retinol to improve the firmness and tone with minimal irritation. It also has squalane, a barrier supporting emollient that prevents dryness and restores skin's balance. Centella asiatica in this serum calms inflammation, accelerates healing, and reduces potential irritation from actives. Panthenol provitamin B5 deeply hydrates and helps reinforce the skin barrier. Adenosine is an anti-wrinkle ingredient that soothes and smooths skin texture. Sodium hyaluronate, a low molecular weight form of hyaluronic acid that provides deep hydration and plumping effect. It also has medicassoside, a compound from centella that enhances skin healing and reduces redness. Tocopherol acetate or vitamin E is an antioxidant that protects our skin from free radical damage and supports barrier health. Rosemary leaf extract provides antioxidant benefits and helps calm the skin. It has hydrolyzed sponge spicules or microneedle-like structures that increase the ingredient absorption by creating tiny pathways in the skin. Now let's move on to the texture and application of this serum. The texture is lightweight, creamy serum, not sticky, and it spreads smoothly across the skin. You will immediately feel the spicules and they give a mild tingling sensation, kind of like micro massage. For me, the tingling lasted about 30 seconds to a minute and it wasn't irritating at all, just different. It fades quickly, and once it settles in, the finish is smooth and non greasy. I personally use this at night 2 to 3 times a week and always followed up with a moisturizer that helped lock it in and made sure my skin stayed calm and hydrated. So I have combination sensitive skin. This ampule really surprised me. My skin didn't freak out like it normally would with retinol. I didn't get any redness, peeling, or sensitivity, which is a big deal for someone like me with a very reactive skin barrier. Over the course of 2 weeks, I noticed a visible difference in the smoothness of my skin, especially around my chin and jawline. My skin felt firmer, and those tiny under the skin bumps a lot less noticeable. Now, who it's for? This ampule is ideal for beginners to retinol and those with sensitive or combination skin looking to improve the firmness and texture without any irritation. It's perfect if you want to start anti aging care gently while strengthening your skin barrier and smoothing the fine lines. Next up is the niacinamide 10% boosting shot ampule. It's a hydrating, brightening powerhouse designed to refine your pores, even out skin tone, and balance oil production without feeling heavy or sticky. Key ingredients in this serum are 10% niacinamide, which is a form of vitamin B3 and is well loved for its ability to brighten dull skin, minimize the appearance of pores, and regulate sebum production, making it ideal for oily or combination skin types. It also has Madagascar Centella asiatica extract, known for its soothing and healing properties. This botanical extract helps calm irritated skin, support skin barrier, and strengthen the moisture barrier, improving overall skin resilience. This serum also has tranexamic acid, a skin brightening agent that enhances the glow and helps improve uneven texture. It has ascorbyl glucoside, a stable, gentle form of vitamin C that brightens the complexion and evens out skin tone. Panthenol or provitamin B5 deeply hydrates and aids in skin barrier recovery, leaving the skin soft, smooth, and comfortable. It also has hydrolyzed sponge spicules, those tiny microneedle-like natural structures that gently create micro pathways on the skin to enhance the delivery and absorption of all those actives. Now, texture and application of this serum. This ampule features a lightweight, watery gel texture that feels incredibly refreshing and moist upon application. It absorbs quickly and leaves no sticky or heavy residue, making it perfect for layering under sunscreen in the morning or makeup during the day. Thanks to the spicules, you may notice a very gentle tingling sensation when you apply it, but it's extremely mild and quickly fades. For my sensitive combination skin, it felt soothing rather than irritating. Now, if you're new to niacinamide or sensitive actives, start slow using this ampule 2 to 3 times per week or every other evening. Apply a small amount, about 0.1 ml per targeted area, focusing on areas like T-zone or dull patches. As your skin adapts, you can increase the frequency based on tolerance. I really liked how this ampule balanced my skin. My T-zone stayed less oily throughout the day, and I noticed my pores looked a little tighter after about a week. My skin tone appeared brighter and more even without any dryness or irritation, which is impressive for 10% niacinamide product. It's definitely earned a spot in my morning routine, especially in the humid weather when I want something light but effective. Now, who it's best for? If you have oily combination or acne prone skin and want to tackle dullness, uneven tone, or enlarged pores, this ampule is a great choice. It's hydrating but never heavy or greasy, and its soothing ingredients make it suitable even for sensitive skin. Now, the last but definitely not the least, we have the Matrixil 10% boosting shot ampule. And this one is all about hydration, plumping, and restoring that youthful bounce to the skin. What it targets? This ampule is formulated with 10% Matrixil 3000, a peptide complex that's globally known for its anti aging benefits. Paired with hyaluronic acid, volufiline, and centella, this serum focuses on deep hydration, improved elasticity, and visible skin firming. Think of it as your daily skin plumping shot, no needles required. The key ingredients are 10% Matrixyl 3000, a patented peptide duo, palmitoyl tripeptide 1 plus palmitoyl tetrapeptide 7 from a French company Sederma. These peptides help reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, firm sagging skin, and rejuvenate dull, fatigued complexions. It also has 5% volufiline, a volume boosting ingredient derived from naturally occurring plant root. It works to restore skin density and visibly plump, hollow, or sunken areas of the face. Hyaluronic acid provides long lasting deep hydration by replenishing moisture from within and improving the skin's water retention. Panthenol or provitamin B5 soothes, hydrates, and supports barrier strength, especially important for dry or mature skin types. Centella asiatica extract offers soothing and repairing benefits to calm stressed or dehydrated skin. Hydrolyzed sponge spicules, the microneedle-like structures that gently create micropathways in the skin, ensuring that these powerhouse ingredients are absorbed deeply and effectively. So this ampule has a moisture-rich semi-emulsion texture. It feels thicker than the other two, but still spreads easily and absorbs smoothly without any stickiness. The spicules are a little more noticeable here. You will feel a mild tingling or prickly sensation when you apply it, especially on the dry or the thinner areas of the face. It's not painful, but you can definitely feel that the formula is active. The sensation fades quickly and it leaves your skin feeling plump, soft, and hydrated. As with the other two ampules, I recommend starting this one slowly. Use it 2 to 3 times a week or every other night during the adaptation period. Just apply a small amount, about 0.1 ml per concern area, and follow up with moisturizer. This ampule gave me the juiciest, most hydrated skin out of the three. I saw the biggest difference on the days when my skin looked tired or dull, especially around my cheekbones and smile lines. After about a week, my skin felt plumper and more elastic, and despite the richer formula and spicules, I had no irritation or congestion. This ampule is ideal for dry, dehydrated, or mature skin types that are looking to restore volume, improve elasticity, and lock in long lasting moisture. It's perfect for those who want deep hydration without heaviness and want visible plumping results over time. After trying all the three of Skin 1004 Lab in Nature boosting shot ampules for over 2 weeks, here's my honest verdict, especially as someone with combination sensitive skin. Each of these ampules impressed me in different ways, but the one that completely stole my heart is the Matrixyl 10% boosting shot. It gave my skin such a plump, hydrated, and healthy look. It's like a moisture bomb that actually stays in your skin, not just on it. My skin felt firmer, looked smoother, and had that subtle bounce I always chase after. The Retinol 0.2% ampule is a fantastic, beginner friendly option that gently soothes texture and boosts elasticity without irritation, perfect for sensitive or first time retinol users. The niacinamide 10% ampule balanced my T zone beautifully, helped even out my skin tone, and delivered a soft glow without any greasiness. But the Matrixyl 10% ampule, it's just chef's kiss. It made my skin feel nourished, plump, and visibly more radiant, and that's why it's hands down my favorite of the three. Overall, this boosting shot line offers high performance actives backed by delivery tech that really works without being harsh or irritating. I love how each one is purpose driven but still gentle and hydrating. If you have been looking for serums that offer real results, whether it's firming, brightening, or smoothing without overwhelming your skin, this Skin 1004 line is definitely worth exploring. And if your skin is feeling dry, dull, or just needs a bounce back, I can't recommend the Matrixyl one enough. Let me know in the comments which one you are most curious to try, or if you have already tried them all. Tell me what your skin loved the most. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. And if you would like to support my channel, feel free to use my YesStyle code and referral links down below. It means the world to me. Thank you so much for watching. Stay glowing, stay hydrated, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.